How to use Facebook page template. If any day you would like to use a Facebook page template but do not know how to use it, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. It may be a Wi-Fi connection or it may be a data connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to go down and now you have to go to the option of Facebook on your mobile device. It may be Facebook or the Facebook Lite. Now since I'm using Facebook, I tap on the very Facebook icon here. After you tap on the Facebook icon, your very Facebook will be launched. After your Facebook will be launched, you can see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the profile section on the top and the profile section here, and you can see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the three dots on the right side. After you go to the three dots on the right side, you can see a screen like this. Now one thing you have to keep in mind is in order to change or in order to use the Facebook template, you have to turn your Facebook to the Facebook Classic mode, and you have to go to the very edit option after you turn into Facebook Classic mode. But since I've not changed my very Facebook into the Facebook Classic mode, I cannot change the template like this. So you can use your PC or otherwise you can search templates and tabs on your very mobile device on your very Facebook and then tap on the templates and tabs, and from there you can use your very Facebook page template. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.